everyone, I'm Miss Lori.
And I'm Maggie.
And we're here today to teach you a healthy and nutritious snack, Oatmeal Energy Bites. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you start with clean hands. Maggie and I have washed our hands today, so now we'll go over the ingredients for these great Oatmeal Energy Bites.
You will need oats, peanut butter, chocolate chips, honey, and vanilla extract.
So Maggie will start by measuring out our ingredients. We'll need 1 cup of oats. Many people have questions of the differences between old-fashioned oats, the quick 5-minute oats, and the instant oats. And the only difference actually is the way the actual individual oat is cut. These are thicker cut, so they'll hold and be more of a binding agent for us. And then it goes down from the quick oatmeal is cut thinner, and then the instant is much thinner. So then Maggie will measure the peanut butter, which again, it's a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. You're welcome to replace the peanut butter with almond butter or cashew butter. So this adds a little bit of protein to our yummy energy bites here, which is actually loaded with fiber, nutrients, and like I said, a bit of protein from this peanut butter. Next, she's going to measure 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. You're welcome to use white chocolate chips or semi-sweet. Today we're using milk chocolate chips. Those are Maggie's favorite. So she'll get those measured and into our bowl. And next she will use 2 tablespoons of honey. The honey can be replaced with maple syrup, depending upon your flavor or what you have in your pantry. Now, one cooking video, we learned the trick of spraying your tablespoon with some cooking oil. We have not done that today, so you'll see the difference here and how that honey can stick. And Maggie will just try to get the most that she can out of there. And then she can just place it right back in a measuring cup to avoid a mess on her table here. Next, she's gonna put in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. If you prefer not to have vanilla or leave it out, that's perfectly fine. That's the great thing about these energy bites. Everyone can kind of make them their own. You could actually add some raisins or some craisins if you'd like. If you'd like to add walnuts for even more protein there, you could. So now Maggie's gonna mix these really good. It's quite a sticky mess, but she's gonna try and get it incorporated really well. And after she gets that mixed up really well, comes the fun part. We're actually gonna roll it into balls. You should get about anywhere from 15 to 20 2-inch size balls. And once you get them rolled, you're gonna stick them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to chill. That will allow them to set and kind of maintain their shape. After that, you want to put them in an airtight container and you can leave them sitting on the counter. They do not need to be refrigerated. This recipe is a great recipe to grab for a quick bite in the morning if you're running out the door and forgot to grab breakfast. So we'll actually roll one of these up, just nice and tight. It's really sticky, but that's the fun part. And like I said before, you would get anywhere from 15 to 20 of these energy bites. And there's 2 of my energy bites. That's what it looks like. So again, put it in the refrigerator, 30 minutes, they'll be ready to eat and give you lots of energy. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.